Hey y'all, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use the CQ product. So first I'm starting out with water and conditioner. And of course I have the CQ products in
What you
there.
using the water conditioner for, Mom?
You wanna wet your hair. You wanna wet it down to make sure you got it all detangled.
Got you.
Wet it down really good. I be brushing my hair too.
How you feeling, Mom, with your baby and everything going?
I feel good.
When is the approximate time for your baby arriving?
My due date was June 30th. Today is June the July the 4th.
Oh, you're overdue.
Mm-hmm. So I'm just waiting. So any day.
Which is funny because we were talking about you were gonna be traveling. You were like, oh yeah, I'm gonna be traveling this year. I was both pregnant.
Yeah. So check it up.
What product that is? Let me see what you got going.
So in here, this is the curly foam wrap. Can you see it?
You gotta focus. I got you.
And I actually put conditioner inside of here. So wanna rub it in, work it in, not on the ends. Don't be scared to use your products. When you got good quality, you most definitely should brush it. Don't be scared to brush it.
Oh, you saying this good quality right here?
Of course, this is that Celebrity Elegance hair.
So what's the difference between this and some hairstyle hair?
So hairstyle hair is absolutely fine if that's what's in your budget. But if you like quality and you want something to last you a long time, like a couple months or even years with proper care, kind of like how I'm showing you guys how to take care of it now, I recommend you invest. Go to crystalqueen.com.
Got you.
So after that,
what you got in your hair right now though?
I like to go back. So this is a wig that I installed. It was a deep wave wig and I put some extra pieces in for fullness, which is a deep curly. So I mixed the two curl patterns. So after you put the curly mousse, you want to go in with your shine spray.
A little shine going.
Because mousse dries out the hair. Water and conditioner makes the hair soft. But you want to balance it. So you want a good balance. And then if you want it like more fuller, you could just like keep fluffing it up and keep playing with it. And this is the back of it, so you can see. Thank you. And then I already did my edges this morning, but of course, I use that CQ Edge Control.
What do it look like? You focus
Show
on
y'all what it look like. This is how it looks inside. Clear, no white, no buildup.
What's the ingredients on it? What we got?
I don't know the ingredients.
It smells good.
It fell on the floor, but y'all get the point.